ninth one, we have to differentiate. See the questions 9, 10, 11. See all these functions we have to differentiate with respect to x. So when differentiate with respect to x means we have to find dy by dx. If y equal to these functions, y equal to this function, we have to find the derivative with respect to x. That means dy by dx. So we can take that given function as y. Then we have to find dy by dx. These are all explicit functions. Function of only x. Only x. There is only x here. So y equal to, we can write f of x, that given function. So here, how to differentiate this function with respect to x? See here also it is in the form. One function sin x minus cos x, that is a function of x. Power also sin x minus cos x, a function of x. So it is in the form u of x raised to v of x. So we have to take logarithm. Only by using logarithm we can find the derivative. So take logarithm both sides. Log y equal to, when you take log, first write power, sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x, log. Then write the base, log sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x. Now we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x. So log y, what is the derivative log y with respect to x? That is 1 by y dy by dx. Equal to, how to differentiate right side? It is the product of two functions. One is sin x minus cos x. Second function is logarithm of sin x minus cos x. Log alone has no meaning. So logarithm of sin x minus cos x. These are the two functions. Product of two functions. So we have to apply product to. First function into, what is first function? Sin x minus cos x. So first function into derivative of second. What is the derivative? Log sin x minus cos x. Derivative log x 1 by x. So derivative log sin x minus cos x 1 by sin x minus cos x into derivative of, what was there in the place of x? Sin x minus cos x. So we have to multiply by derivative of sin x minus cos x. What's the derivative of sin x minus cos x? In bracket write the derivative of sin x minus cos x, because there are two terms. What's the derivative of sin x? Cos x. Then minus derivative cos x minus sin x. So first function into derivative of second, that's over. Then plus, it is product rule, so plus. Plus second function into, what is second function? Log sin x minus cos x. Logarithm of sin x minus cos x into derivative of first. What's the derivative of sin x minus cos x? That is cos x plus sin x. Here we found cos x plus sin x. So the product rule over. First function into derivative of second plus derivative of second, that is 1 by sin x minus cos x into derivative of sin x minus cos x, that is cos x plus sin x, plus second function log sin x minus cos x into derivative of first, that is this one. See here, this sin x minus cos x will be cancelled. So what we get? Cos x plus sin x plus here cos x plus sin x into logarithm of sin x minus cos x. So now we can take this by y this side. So we can write here, see cos x plus sin x is common factor. So we can write cos x plus sin x into here 1 into 1 plus here log sin x minus cos x. Now we can take this y this side. So we can write dy by dx equal to y into that. Then y, what is y? In the place of y, here substitute y. That is sin x minus cos x all raised to sin x minus cos x into the same thing you have to write here. Same thing write here and write the answer. Next, 10th one, we have to differentiate. Tenth one, y equal to x raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a. See, we have to differentiate with respect to x. That means we have to find dy by dx. See, just to see how we can find the derivative of x raised to x. It is in the form function of x raised to function of x. So we have to use logarithm. Without using logarithm, we cannot find derivative of that. Now consider the other one. What's the derivative of x raised to a? That is in the form x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Directly we can find it. Derivative of a raised to x, that is formula we know. A raised to x into log a. That also we know. What's the derivative of a raised to a? That is the constant, simple constant. A, both constant. So derivative of constant is 0. So that derivative, so these three terms we can write directly. Only the problem is x raised to x, so that we have to consider as u, and we have to find separately the derivative. So we can write y equal to u plus x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to du by dx plus, what's the derivative of x raised to a into x raised to a minus 1, derivative of x raised to n formula. Then plus a raised to x formula, a raised to x into log a plus derivative a raised to a, 0. So that over. Now we can find du by dx and substitute here. So we'll get the answer. So from u, what is u? U is x raised to x, where u equal to x raised to x. So take only u and find the derivative. So we can take u equal to x raised to x. Then log u equal to x log x. Then find the derivative both sides. 1 by u du by dx equal to, apply product rule, x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x 1. That is the product rule. That is 1 plus log x. Then you take that side. So du by dx equal to u into 1 plus log x. U is x raised to x. Substitute in the place of u x raised to x. So what is the answer here? So dy by dx, question is find dy by dx or differentiate the given function with respect to x. So that is same as dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to du by dx. Only this du by dx we have to substitute. All other directly we found. So this we have to substitute. Du by dx. What is du by dx? We found. U into, what is u? U means x raised to x. X raised to x into 1 plus log x. Then plus this a x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log a. That is the answer. So a derivative a raised to a 0. So that is the answer. Now see the 11th one. 11th one, x raised to x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 whole square. See here, see the function, it is sum of two functions first. See this, we can take y equal to this function. One function plus other function. Now see each function. See how to we can differentiate this first function. First function is in the form one function of x power another function of x. So only by using logarithm we can find it. Here also function of x, function of x. So here also we have to use logarithm. So we cannot take directly because it is sum of two terms. So directly log we cannot take since it is sum of two terms. Separately we have to consider. So we take that u plus v. Y equal to u plus v, where u equal to x raised to x square minus 3, v equal to x minus 3 whole square. So separately, what is dy by dx? We want to find dy by dx. That is same as du by dx plus dv by dx. So only thing what we have to do is from u and v, we have to find du by dx and dv by dx, then substitute them. So we will find separately. Take each. First consider u. U equal to x raised to x square. U equal to x raised to x square minus 3. V equal to x minus 3 all raised to x square. So u equal to x raised to x square minus 3. X raised to x square minus 3. So take logarithm. Log u equal to, first take power x square minus 3 into log base is x. Now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to x square minus 3 into, it is the product of two functions, x square minus 3 into derivative of log x, that is 1 by x, plus log x into derivative of first function x square minus 3. What's the derivative of x square minus 3? Derivative x square 2x. And minus 3, derivative minus 3, 0. Only that. Now we can take u that side. So du by dx is equal to u into, what is u? Directly I am going to substitute. What is u? X raised to x square minus 3 into x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2x log x. So just to substitute in the place of du by dx. We can substitute that in the place of du by dx. Now similarly from v, you have to find dv by dx. Now we will consider v. So v equal to x minus 3 all raised to x square. Take logarithm, log v equal to x square, first write power x square, log x minus 3, log x minus 3. Now find differentiate. 1 by v dv by dx is equal to product to x square into derivative of log x minus 3, that is 1 by x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3, that is 1. Then plus log x minus 3 into derivative of x square, that is 2x. So now take v that side. So dv by dx equal to, therefore dv by dx equal to v into, what is v? X minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square into this term. That is into x square by x minus 3. X square by x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. 2x log x minus 3. So we got both du by dx and dv by dx. Now we can substitute here. Therefore dy by dx equal, just to final write the answer. Therefore dy by dx equal to, first write du by dx, this term, plus then write dv by dx, this term. So just to substitute in this equation and write dy by dx. Du by dx and dv by dx, substitute here. So we get the answer. Okay.